Hi, my name is Danielle Benning, and I'm your sales rep here at Everhard Roofing Tools in Canton, Ohio. Did you know that some of Everhard's 3 best-selling tools now come packaged in one easy-to-order bundle, featuring our lightweight shears measuring in 10 inches overall length with stainless steel blades, as well as our silicone roller, model number MR05020, with a diameter of 1 7/16 inch and a width of 1 3/4 inch, bundled in a top-quality Everhard leather sheath. This bundle is perfect for a roofer just getting into heat welding or an experienced pro alike. Keep your 2 most commonly used tools within quick and easy reach with Everhard Roofing Bundle model number MM20290. For more information, visit us at roofing.everhard.com.